Sana tayo punta kay Labi?
I don't know what to say.
Where are we, Lay? Where are we?
Subic.
Yeah, ACEA Beach Resort,
Yeah.
Subic. Can you show us your room?
This is the room tour, I guess.
You start here, this side. We have one cabinet.
There's a cabinet. I actually don't. Oh, there's a safe
There's a safe.
and hangers. And also some. Wait, what is this? Hold on. Wheelchair.
Wheelchair?
No, wait, that's a stroller. Looks like a wheelchair to me.
There's two bathrobes.
Yep. And then there's the bathroom.
Bathroom.
Glass shower. Toilet. And the sink.
Yeah, they have soap, hand soap, but
And
lotion.
for some reason there's glasses. What are you gonna do with those, drink?
When you brush your teeth,
Nah.
there is one hair dryer for your mama.
Mm-hmm.
Toilet.
There is a mirror.
A big mirror.
Yeah. And as you can hear, there's a cranky toddler.
Cranky
This does
tub.
not come with the hotel. This is sold separately.
It's sold separately. We have two double beds.
Two double beds. And there's a TV. I don't know if it connects to the internet.
We'll see later.
There's also seems to be tips that we didn't bring. However, I don't know if
Wow.
it's prepaid or if you have to pay for it.
No, it's complimentary,
Oh, complimentary. Good.
so you can have it.
Yay.
Yay!
There's also a clock. I think that's not a part of it. I think that's a part of it. And then there's the connected room.
We have
Which
connected
is
room,
basically the same thing.
but a cleaner version. Is this included?
No, it is not. It is not. This is the other room, and it's pretty much just the same story.
I think I like the shower. Look.
It looks like an electric fan. The shower looks like an electric.
Looks weird.
Yep. But that's what makes it interesting.
Okay. Can you show us the view outside?
The view outside here. Wait, how do I open this? What? Forget it.
Here.
Oh.
Oh, just the room.
Just another room. And the other side over here is much prettier. I guess you could say. You could somewhat see the water.
Yeah, and some of the mountains.
Yeah. Oh, however, you mostly see the other rooms.
That's
Sand off. Please wash before entering.
that's it.
That's it.
Then
That's all we
later
can
we'll see the other room.
Yep.
Say bye. Bye, the cranky toddler.